Welcome everyone in the lecture 5 of unit 5. In this lecture we will design the Turing machine for the language even palindrome. So the language even palindrome contain the strings that are palindrome. It means that if we read from the right hand side or from the left hand side, string will remain same and it will be of even length. So even palindrome means that suppose I have a string a b a a b b a a b a. If you read from this side, it will be a b b a a b b a a b a, or read from this side, it will be a b a a b b a a b a. It will remain same from the both corners. If you read from this side or if you read from this side, it will be a palindrome. It means that it will remain same from both side. And other thing about even palindrome is that it will be of even length. It can be written as WWR. Suppose it is a W, then it is the reverse of W. So WWR is the even palindrome. So in the strings belong to this language, there is a property, a common thing. You can observe that if you get A here, you will get A in the right also. If you get B here, you will get a B here also. If you get A here, you will get A here. If you get A here, you will get A here. If you get B here, you will get a B. So if you saw the corners, it will be matched. Suppose this is A, we erase it and we erase this A. For this A, there is A. We mark them. Then if you get B, if you get B here, you will get a B here. If you get A here, you will get a A here. If you get A here, you will get a A here. If you get a B here, you will get a B here. In this way, we can verify whether a string is belong to even palindrome language or not. So in Turing machine, we will try to build a logic that if this input is on input tape, then if we raise A, if we get first symbol as A and we mark it as blank, then we are very much sure that we will get A on this corner. So we move to the right, moving to the right, leave the symbol unchanged, and on reaching this blank, if we are sure that if we mark this A on the left corner, then we will get A in the right corner. So mark it blank and move to the left. If you get B here, we are sure that we will get B here also. So mark this B as blank and move to this corner, and you are sure that you will get a B here. And now similarly move to the left. If you get A here, mark it blank, it by blank, and move to the right, so that you will get A at this position also. Similarly, now move to the left corner, you will get A here, then you will get A here also. If you reach to this corner, you will get B here, so you will get a B here. Now move to this corner, you will get at the end, when for every A there is a For every B there is a B. When you marked all, you will get no A or no B. You will get blank at the right of blank. So every time you try to show what is in the on this corner, you get A here, you get B here, then you get A here, then you get A here, then you get B here. At last when you reach to this corner, you will get blank here. So this will be the accepting condition, and it is we trying for this string, but we are trying to build a logic so that it works on the every string of even palindrome. So Turing machine will be designed as we start from start state. Suppose we get A as a very first symbol. It can be B also, but for now we are supposing that it is A. What we do? We mark it blank and move to the right. Now on marking this as blank, we move to right, we will get some B's and some A's. But our goal is to reach this corner. So now reading more symbols, if we get A, we leave it A and move to right. If we get B, leave it B and move to right, so that we can move to this place, this place, this place, and so on. We will reach to blank. What we need to do at this blank symbol, we move to the left, and we are sure that if we get A here, we will get A in the right corner also. So if we get blank here, leave it blank and move to the left, and by moving to left you will get A. Here you will get A. Mark it blank, and now move to the, after marking this A as blank, move to the left in this corner to show second symbol. We marked first symbol, now we have to look at another symbol. So after marking this A, we have to move into the left till this blank. So we will move to left on marking this A as blank. Then we will say so, or we will show more A's, leave it A and move to left. Then if we get B, leave it B and move to the left. And by moving to the left, we will reach to this corner. We will get a blank, and then we look what is in the right of this blank. Now here we will get a blank, leave it blank and move to right. In right we can get A again, or we can get B again. We can get B here. If we get B, mark it as blank, then move to right, leaving any A as unchanged, leaving B as unchanged, and moving to the right, reach to the rightmost corner by reading blank, move to the left of this blank. If we mark this B as blank, then moving to this side so that we can get a B here. So if we reach to this blank, go to the left of this blank and mark this B as blank here. So if we get blank, move to the left, and now you are sure you will get B. Then move to the left. So here we mark this B, then moving to this direction, reaching to blank, then to the left of the blank we will get B and mark this B as blank, and now we will reach to this corner. So we leave A unchanged, B unchanged, A unchanged, and reach to this corner. Now we will get blank here, and we will look what is there in the right of this blank. It may be A, it may be B. So if we get blank here, we will move to the right of this blank, so that we can get A or B. So B can be first symbol, A can be first symbol. After marking A at both corner, at this corner and this corner, we can get B. Mark B at this corner and this corner, you can get A. Then you mark A or B or A or B, you can mark all symbols. At the end, you will not get A or B, you will get blank. In the right of this blank, you will get blank again. So leave it as it is and reach to the halt state. So this is start state 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this is 8. So in this way we can design a Turing machine for language even palindrome. So it will accept all strings of this language. If you get a input A B B A, or if you get a input B A B, it will accept in same way. You mark this way, this B at this corner, then reaching to the right, reach to the end, and at the left of this blank you will get B. Mark it here and move to the left. At this blank you will get reach to the left and you will get blank that you marked earlier, and the right of this you will get A or B. If you get A, mark it here and reach to this corner, then you will get A. For A there is A, for B there is a B. So what you are doing, you are marking them in the corner, A for A, B for B. So in this way we can design a Turing machine for even palindrome. That is all for this lecture.